With good old Leo Clark, who's celebrating the 5th birthday right there. Happy birthday, Leo. You go get him, kiddo. He's in Columbus.
All right. And we've got Gannon Harina celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Gannon is in Frontenac.
Raider Pride right there. Cassidy Borland, a happy 29th birthday. Miss Cassidy, she is in Carthage.
Al Hinsel celebrating number 68 this year in Carl Junction.
And Judd Bailey, a very happy birthday to you. Judd celebrating in Girard.
And we've got Sam Johnson in Columbus. Happy birthday, Sam.
And Brandy Palmer, she is celebrating her 28th birthday. Brandy, a happy birthday in Mulberry. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. On this September the 14th, that's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can always go to KOAMNewsNow.com and submit them that way as well. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.